Red Sox continuing their series against the Yankees in the Bronx. Players wearing gold wristbands and Mookie Betts wearing gold cleats, raising awareness for pediatric cancer. Doug Fister on the hill for Boston. Pick it up in the first. No score.
Line shot. That's into the gap. That'll bring in the run. Judge driving in his 83rd run, and it is 1-0 Yankees.
2-ball, 2-strike pitch on the way to Eduardo Nunez. He swings and he drives one to left field deep, going back after it. Gardner, he looks up and it's gone. A home run, a 2-run home run for Eduardo Nunez on a 2-2 pitch.
That one's smoked. Deep right, kiss it goodbye. It is gone. And Benintendi strikes again at Yankee Stadium.
Boy, he loves this ballpark.
19 home runs for the rookie. That's in well. Racing back Ellsbury, turning around, and she's gone. Red Sox on top, 4-1, and the third home run that Gray has allowed tonight.
2-2. Swing and a miss, strike 3. Dustin Pedroia made a great play on him. There's a ball hit off of Moreland. Pedroia backs him up, throws it back to Moreland, and they get him.
Greg Kimbrell, his 32nd save as the Red Sox win for the 4th time in 5 games, taking out the Yanks 4-1. Doug Fister, the win, allowing 1 run in 7 frames. This is the 3rd straight start. Fister has allowed 2 or fewer runs while lasting at least 7 frames.